Alright, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Kasatkai Mumbai. I can see only repetitive faces since morning and I see that everybody is tired, है ना? सारे लोग थक चुके हैं क्या? But मुझे तो ये पता है जो हमारे GJC का परिवार है, जो हमारे श्रृंगार का extended परिवार है, they are absolutely high on energy and always high on energy. Is that true? If yes, please clap for yourselves. Come on everybody. It's time to celebrate the extended family, the esteemed family. Shaam nahi hai. Tonight is the night where we are celebrating the journey. We are celebrating the real hero who has actually done it. उनका एक विजन था, फिर उन्होंने उसे मिशन में बनाया और आज वो ड्रीम को पूरा किया है. So tonight is the celebration of none other than the super handsome, the versatile Chetan Kadeshwar ji. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your host and host Rupali Sapkala, and it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all of you, all the real sitaras, the stars. When we talk about gems and jewelry, and those are all of you, जोरदार तालियां अपने आप के लिए होनी चाहिए. ये शाम इतने डल एनर्जी के साथ हम शुरू नहीं कर सकते, इसमें थोड़ा मसाला तो बनता है. So everybody, come on, a huge round of applause for all of you. Everybody with that energy, let's get started. So let me give you a little gist. I know कि यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग बैठे हुए हैं वो सभी लोग श्रृंगार ऐसा ब्रांड जानते हैं. श्रृंगार मंगलसूत्र की बात करें तो श्रृंगार ही दिमाग में आता है, जहन में आता है सारे लोगों के, और चेतन सर का ही नाम दिमाग में आता है. So ladies and gentlemen, इसकी शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई थी? कोई मुझे बता सकता है? Anybody who knows Chetan sir in and out? Anyone? Let's make it a little interactive. Yeah? This table, yeah ma'am? Would you like to say something? Can you tell me that how we started, when we started? Because I need everyone's attention. And if I do not involve you all, I know nobody will pay attention. So let's not, yeah. Anybody, anything that you can like to mention about Shringar? What do you like the most? Great design. Great designs. Wow. Anybody else? Not you. Yes, of course not you. Yes, you sir. So when we talk about Shringar, of course, एक ही चीज दिमाग में आती जो है मंगलसूत्र. So ladies and gentlemen, like I mentioned, Shringar House of Mangalsutra Limited began not as a brand but as a belief that the Mangalsutra, the sacred thread. जब हम शादी की बात करें, मंगलसूत्र ही तो जहन में आता है ना, क्योंकि वही एक लड़की का, एक वुमेन का श्रृंगार है. That is the most important jewelry. So, which could be elevated into a symbol of both heritage and personal style. What started as a model jewelry firm in Mumbai, crafting Mangalsutras with care and reverence, soon became a pioneering force in the industry, guided by the vision of none other than the real star, Mr. Chetan Kadeshwar. Zordar taaliyan ek baar, ladies and gentlemen. We started from the traditional designs, right? And like sir rightly mentioned, we are dedicated for any number of designs which you can't even think of, and we have already executed them. Ladies and gentlemen, starting from traditional black beads and gold to contemporary designs featuring American diamonds, pearls and semi-precious stones, Shringar has mastered the art of blending timeless tradition with modern elegance. Its creation empowers women to celebrate their identity, their love and their legacy with great sophistication.
Yeah, shall we? Yes. 3, 2,
thank you so much, Shringar, for having me host this beautiful moment, to celebrate this beautiful moment of your life. This is truly big for me as well. Thank you so much once again. This is your host and host, Rupali Sattar, signing off. Thank you.